Hello everyone, I welcome you all for the lecture series videos of hydraulics and pneumatics. In the previous video, we have discussed about the construction and working of pressure sequence valve and how the check valve will be an integral part of the pressure sequence valve. As a continuation of that video, in this lecture series, we are going to discuss about the how this pressure sequence valve will be an integral part of hydraulic circuit. So here I have taken an example of drilling machine circuit. Here we are going to perform 4 operations. So the first operation is clamping. The second operation is approaching of drill bit to the workpiece to perform drilling. And the third operation is removal of drill bit from the workpiece. The fourth operation is unclamp. So this is accomplished with the help of pressure sequence valve. Since we have 4 operations, we should have to use 2 pressure sequence valve. So here I have illustrated a typical drilling clamping circuit for the drilling machine application. In this, we have a reservoir and the pump is connected to the reservoir. Here we are using unidirectional fixed displacement pump. After the pump pressure relief valve is there, then this circuit is connected to the direction control valve. So here we are using 4/3 direction control valve and the output of the valve is connected to the 2 cylinders. Cylinder 1 is used for clamping and unclamping and the cylinder 2 is used to perform drilling operation. Controlling these 2 cylinders, we have a direction control valve, 4/3 direction control valve with neutral central position. And it has actuated and unactuated position. Since we have a 4 sequences, we are going to use 2 sequence valve. Imagine the topmost portion of the direction control valve is shifted to the center position. The pump port is connected to the input of the cylinder 1. So the fluid flows from pump to blank end of the cylinder 1, which will clamp the workpiece. Then, on the other hand, one more branch is there for the pipeline of cylinder 1. So that is connected to the pressure sequence valve 1. So the fluid will not be directed to the check valve since it allows fluid only in opposite direction. So the fluid, when the pressure of the fluid exceeds, when the clamping can be done, if the cylinder goes to its extended position, then the pressure increases. Then the sequence valve 1 comes to its operation and it allows fluid to the cylinder 2 after the actuation of cylinder 1. Then the cylinder 2 will go to its extended position, perform drilling. Then the oil from the rod end via the check valve of pressure sequence valve, it is bypassed to the reservoir. On the other hand, if we move the bottom portion to the center of the direction control valve, we are directing the fluid to the rod end of the cylinder 2. So the cylinder 2 comes to its retracted position. It is nothing but withdrawal of drill bit from the workpiece. Then the oil from the piston end is via check valve of sequence valve 1 is bypassed to the reservoir. Then the pressure sequence valve 2 comes into operation, which allows the fluid to the rod end of the cylinder 1. So the cylinder 1 goes to its retracted position, that is nothing but unclamping. The oil from the piston end of the cylinder 1 is bypassed to the reservoir. This is how the system will function and drilling clamping can be done. So the first operation is clamping, then drilling, then withdrawal of drill bit from the workpiece, then unclamping. And for the references, we have two references for this presentation. One is Fluid Power, authored by Anthony Esposito, published by Pearson Education, New Delhi, in the year 2003. The second reference, Fluid Mechanics and Hydraulic Machines, authored by R.K. Bansal, published by Lakshmi Publication, New Delhi, in the year 2021. So in this uh, lecture, we have discussed about how the sequence valve can be used in the circuit. For that, practically, we have taken the drilling clamping circuit used in the drilling machine and how the operations can be sequenced for this twin cylinder application. So I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for watching this video.